There we go. There we go.
I got both tires out of there after a while.
Yeah, I got them out.
Alright, so what is that thing sticking up right there?
That piece right there?
Yeah.
You can shoot at it one time.
No, that's
Alright.
Oh, no. Oh. You talking about the steel thing right here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Don't shoot that?
I'll come back, ricochet back.
Oh, alright, never mind.
Try this try shoot that tree right here.
That?
Not that one, this next one over.
Okay.
And see if you hit that.
Alright. Now that seems to me that if I miss that, and you were holding it way up there, okay.
Alright, you hit the tree, see?
I hit the tree?
Yeah, you hit it.
How far is that? About 15, 20 feet? Oh man. Alright, I'm going for the cans.
She says.
I had a success, now I've got to go for the challenge. Alright.
So they just back up and pick that up like I said?
Well, I backed up, we did, and put the bed over the bed, and then drove forward, then the hind wheels caught on the guardrail.
Damn, it
You
kicks
might
up
have.
just a tiny bit.
You might have got it.
Well, it goes up like that, you know?
Yeah, power, they're going on and off like that.
Something interesting. Oops.
Well, I guess I'll mosey back over the road.
Oh, you're not gonna join us in our... Alright, let's see. Alright, I'm really determined to get these goddamn cans. And move one of them at least. Hold still.
You might be hitting them, I don't...
That one on the right-hand side there, I thought quivered a little bit.
Oh, that would be nice. That would be really nice. I've never shot before. But this seemed pretty easy. I thought I was going to be shooting a pistol. It's beautiful up here. The right-hand one? Yeah. Yes! So I just was killing somebody and didn't even know it. Oh, now you put them together. You think one will knock the other one in the...
I just thought it'd be a little bit bigger target. A little bit of space in between.
True.
Well, if you need anything, holler.
All right, Dad.
This has got to be the most fun I've had. All right. Damn, safety. I have to make it so stiff, don't I? All right, here we go. Cans. All right, you got to straighten out there. Nope.
Who's missed by mine?
Your turn.
My turn?
Yeah, I want to see if you can hit them. Man, we got bullets going all over the place.
Oh, that's fine.
You'll find them in the spring.
Ain't gonna hurt nothing.
What, now there's another car?
If I can.
Okay. They're not gonna move. I always thought you put cans on things and you'd hit them and they'd go flying.
These are real lightweight. They're not.
How do you know I hit the tree?
Like, see where you hit the tree. You hit the tree right.
It looks like a little hole right
Yeah,
there.
you see where it's, yeah, see it where it's all bleeder bark?
Yep.
That's how I know you hit the tree.
Okay. What tree? Ooh, you hit the snowbank about a foot above them. I saw it puff. And I could see the hole in the snow. Can you?
Yeah, I don't think that's...
It wasn't there before. That hole in the snow.
There's only one one hole in that can right now. So I mean, I can't believe I'm not hitting this.
Gotta be.
Well, I don't have to be, but you gotta.